All right, class, you have made it. Welcome to week 14, and just have a couple assignments left to wrap up the class. Your main assignment will be a final presentation. So let's go into that assignment. For this assignment, you will record a 3-minute screencast. This will be a screencast of your website. Please don't do a PowerPoint slide. We want to see your your website. You can show us how your business works, the products you offer. Talk to us a little bit about the tools that worked for you this semester. You can use really any platform. They talk about Zoom or Jing. In here, you can use Screencast-O-Matic. You can use whatever platform you want. What you want to make sure of is that whatever screencast you create, you're able to upload it to the internet and get a URL. If it only creates a file that sits on your computer, it will not work for this assignment. So you will need to be able to post a URL to YouTube or to some platform so that we can click on that and view this 3-minute presentation. Please keep them to 3 minutes. I know sometimes there's a lot to share and discuss. So please keep those to 3 minutes. So you will submit that for a final presentation, and then your discussion boards this week will be a combined discussion board, kind of like what we did for the icebreaker, but you will post your video, your final presentation, so everybody gets to share about their businesses together. We kind of come back together as a class and show these final presentations, and then you'll need to respond to others. You'll have the same discussion board requirements, but your initial posts, instead of posting, will just be your video, and then respond to others. You can ask them about their projects, what worked for them, what didn't. Project 6 is removed. So it is here, it is grayed out under this module. I hope you don't see that on yours, but please note that Project 6 is not required now. That has been a change made mid-semester, but Project 6 will not be submitted. So if you have any questions about this final presentation or anything I can help you with, again, the most common question I get this week is about a screencast software or platform to use. You can use whichever one works for you. The most common ones are Zoom or Jing or Screencast-O-Matic, but you can use whatever platform works for you as long as you can upload it to the internet. We can click on it and go to that final presentation. You'll be set to go. So thank you, everybody. You have been an absolutely fantastic class. This has definitely been one of my favorite semesters. I think you did a wonderfully successful transition to Canvas on a new learning environment, a new platform. So thank you for your patience. Thank you for your feedback. I have really enjoyed being your instructor this semester. I will miss you moving forward, but excited to see what you've done with your businesses, and hopefully that either your businesses will succeed in the future or the skill sets you've gained will be applied to others.